Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Who's watching? Well, your car is. And that means other people can too.
And like any computer, it's creating a detailed digital footprint of your entire life.
We're talking about where you live, where you work, and even your stored credit card info.
All this data isn't just digital. It creates a direct physical threat. Let's break that down.
The real danger isn't about someone hijacking your steering. The real power is in your location data.
You probably have your banking app locked down tight, right? But what about your car's app?
And that's a huge mistake, because your personal identity, that's basically the new key to your car. Think about it. A hacked app can show someone exactly where you are and even unlock your doors. Okay, so how do you fight back? How can you actually protect yourself from this?
Let's run through a quick 5-minute safety check you can do right now to lock things down.
First up, change that password. Make it long, unique, and please don't reuse it anywhere else.
Next, turn on multi-factor authentication. Seriously, this is your absolute best line of defense.
And hey, don't forget your email. A weak password there is a backdoor into your car. The goal is simple. Make your account way too much trouble for an attacker to even bother.
So, if your identity really is the new key, you have to ask, just how strong is your lock? Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.